In this session, I intend to teach how to connect a push button or switch to the Arduino for increasing or decreasing values. In previous sessions, we created the tutorial using diagrams and a simulator, and we made the button and adjusted the values. Now, I want to connect a physical button to the Arduino specifically for increasing the value, and I'll show you how I increase the temperature and display it on the LCD. So, how can I connect this button to the Arduino? As I mentioned, we also need a 225 ohm resistor, along with the push button or switch. I've already prepared the wiring, twisted the wires around, but you need to solder them. First, let's connect the ground pin. I had marked the ground here and connect it to one of the vertical pins. Look, how did I connect it? I connected it to the top pin vertically. Now, what does it do? This is my push button. One side connects to the 5-volt pin, so I connect it to 5 volts. Yes, it's connected. The other side, I said, goes to the same side of the resistor that we attached to the vertical pin. Now I'll show you. Look carefully. I left the middle empty because it will connect vertically. I'll connect it to pin 6 on the Arduino using a wire connecting to the middle of the resistor. See? Connection done. Now I connect the other end to pin 6 on the Arduino. Pin 5 was for the LCD. Okay, all my connections are done. If I turn it on and press the button, the temperature value should increase. I uploaded the same program I explained in previous sessions, the one we used in the simulator, to the Arduino. I turn it on. Let's bring up the LCD. It shows 37.7. Now I press the button. Look, 37.8. Press again, 37.9. Another press, 38. Another press, 38.1. You see? I can keep pressing the button to increase the value. Now, for the other 2 push buttons, you can make the connections exactly like this one. Connect them to pins 7 and 8, pin 6 for increasing, pin 7 for decreasing, and pin 8 for the menu. Make sure you complete these 3 button connections, soldering exactly as shown here so we can continue together. That brings us to the end of this session. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless.